Hook. So, you've been wondering if Gemini Earn is still letting you withdraw your hard-earned crypto? Let's dive into the details. Building context. Recap. Remember when Gemini Earn was all the rage? It promised high yields with minimal risk. But then, things took a turn. The incident, we all witnessed the FTX collapse, which sent shockwaves through the crypto market. Gemini, unfortunately, was caught in the crossfire. Addressing the rumors. The speculation, rumors started swirling that Gemini had frozen withdrawals, leaving investors in a state of panic. But is that really the case? Clarification, let's clear the air. Gemini has indeed been facing some challenges, but they haven't completely shut down withdrawals. Gemini's current status. The pause. Gemini has temporarily paused new deposits to earn. This was a precautionary measure to ensure the safety of their platform during the market turmoil. Existing withdrawals. However, Gemini has continued to process existing withdrawal requests. So, if you had funds invested in Earn before the pause, you should be able to withdraw them. Understanding the situation. The Gemini saga. The situation is complex. Gemini is working closely with regulators and other entities to address the issues stemming from the FTX collapse. Investor protection. It's important to remember that Gemini is taking steps to protect its customers' assets. The pause in new deposits is a temporary measure. What does the future hold? Gemini's recovery. While the situation remains uncertain, Gemini has expressed its commitment to recovering from this setback. The company is working towards resuming normal operations. Investor confidence. The key to Gemini's future lies in regaining investor trust. Transparency and open communication will be crucial in this process. Tips for investors. Diversification. Even if you're invested in Gemini Earn, it's wise to diversify your crypto portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Stay informed. Keep an eye on the latest news and updates from Gemini and the broader crypto market. Knowledge is power. Conclusion. Recap. So, to answer the question, Gemini Earn is currently allowing withdrawals for existing investors. However, the situation is evolving, and it's essential to stay informed. Call to action. If you have any further questions or concerns, don't hesitate to reach out to Gemini's customer support. Closing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.